So we're working on trying to get this baby right here. We gotta get this thing out so we can access this part and then figure it out, right?
Pull the top off the transmission and cover it so the shifter's out of the way.
For today, I got all the subfloor done. See? Got the clutch that was right here. All that shit under here, it's out. Still gotta work on those pedals though. Chuck's gonna come probably tomorrow and help me explain to me or help me, I don't know, figure this out. He knows what to do, so I'm in good hands. He knew exactly how to get this thing out of here. It was just tough. But once we get these pedals out of here and the steering wheel, then I can insulate this area as well. Lock this forever and start building the bed. So tomorrow, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the vinyl flooring and that's it. It's a little messy today, but it looks cool. All right, peace out. So yesterday I did all the subfloor, and this morning I was on the phone, so I couldn't really film. But while I was on the phone, I was able to do the floor. Alright guys, so look who's back. Chuck. He's measuring the windows and look what he did. Alright, right here, now we got no pedals, nothing here. So it's free. I can put that piece back in here and then insulate everything and start building the bed.